All we need to do with these guys is a chance to play against each other. All the coaches, all the players, a chance to everybody. And with that, today's going to be quite an unusual setup. Once you guys go back to the wall, you guys will take your spot. So let's go.
May gam ka?
You go. There you go. But when we do go in that order, the ball will notice we don't have to make things will be a little bit lighter, a little bit more formal, right? So your coaches will start making it out, go through the game. You will be seeing all the more today. Want to make sure your parents got a little bit more comfort. They deserve it. Very nice. So you guys will feel more as you play and as you stuff in. The parents are a little bit more comfort. Subsequent plays will be going back and forth as they runs. One more very important thing for us all, players, parents, and refs to be aware. Today, as the competitive side of things is not the most important part of this, every shooting foul, whether you shoot and take 2 or 3 or 1 free throw, will be just 1. So that will not be a mistake on the refs. That is a decision made so we can take the pass out of the time we got for the event. Do y'all understand that? Awesome. Again, for our schedule, the first game would be B-basketball versus throw ballers. Throw ballers, we have 5 to start the first game. No, they have 3. That is fine. Don't worry. Like I said, today's going to be a little easier. We can manage things a little bit live and there's not too much pressure on us. So, I can see Infinity has quite a few players ready to go. Alright? Movement 2. So, we'll make a decision in a second. B-basketball. You guys will face us. I would say most likely to go versus movement. B-basketball movement will play the first game. So movement, if you all have the white jersey, that would be nice to have all the white black. Is that clear to everybody? Alright, everybody. Once again, I appreciate every single one of you guys for making this possible. Let's enjoy the game. Alright, let's go, guys. Get this ball, B-basketball, movement, play the game.
Indian. Go Jaden! Oh yes! Yes! Yan! Go Kuya! Yes! Nice one! Wow! Nice one!
Sa ano eh.
Nice one, Jaden! Go! All right! Same ball, same ball. Nice one, Jaden! Ayan yung scouter, oh, nasa gilid. Huwag yung galingan, baka hindi tayo palaruin.
Championship lang ha.
Yes! Nice one, Joel! Nice one, Joel! Go, 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 go! 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 Oh! One more! Ang galing! Ang galing ni Joel!
Yan, naka-audition to ha. Eh, first ano niya rin eh.
Okay!
Uy!
galing niya, no? Nice one, Joel! Oh! Sayang! Nice talaga yun. Ang galing. Go!
Mapapagod ka dito sa mga kasi para mga kabal.
Mga kabal.
Kuya, kanta kayo! Go, Joel!
Nice one! Sayang. Okay. Ha? Ayan na naman. Bantay, bantay, bantay!
Go!
Uy, dali, dali, dali! Sayang. Ang galing nila. Wow naman!
Ayan na yung mga ano, bardagulan.
Dagulan. Si Joel.
Bardagulan natin na
Guwapo naman ni Jacob ah. Ganda ng haircut ah.
age yun. 13, 12.
Ayan.
Go, Joel!
Go, Joel! Dali, nice one, nice one. Nice one. Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Bantay, bantay, bantay! Pang!
You can't do that there.
Okay.
5 minutes left already. And there's only
Abot
one.
ang maya. Bawal yun.
And it's only 1 quarter.
Go, 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 kuya! Go, kuya! Dali, 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 dali! Up. Travel, travel! Nice!
You can't do that.
Nice! Sige, sige, sige! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! 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 Go, go, go! Yes! Uy, ba't mo pinakita na?
Hindi daw mapigilan.
Nak, huwag ka mapakita.
Hindi daw mapigilan eh. You can't shoot.
Up!
After back to the 4. So you only need 4.
Dali, 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 dali.
Go big player.
Okay, okay, okay. It's our ball.
Caleb! Push Mike! Push Mike! Muya na muya, bawal sa naglalaro.
Yan, 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 yan. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go. Yan. Dali, 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 dali. Pass, 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 pass. Nice one. Uy, sayang. Oh, wow. Nice one, Eros. Na. Ikaw naman, sis, oh.
Miss that! Miss that! Miss that! Go!
Yes!
Don't do that!
Hayaan mo na, Nak. Nagsushoot din sila eh. Ang galing ni Joel! Dali! Wow! Nice one! Nice one, Eros! Ay! Yun lang, yung pasa. Yung pasa lang. Ay! Dali!
I shouted! Oh!
Yan, yan. Go, 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 go!
Guys, saya bubuy. Oh, good pass. Good pass. Give me 3. Bang! Yo, hey. Shoot it. You're wide open. You're wide open. Shoot it.
Grabe. Nice one. Yan, nice one. 3 seconds, sayang. Go! Langang, galing. Develop na to. Develop na. Sige na. Pass the ball. Yan. Good. Karen! Wow! Sayang! You can't catch that!
Galing nilang mag-rebound, no?
Shoot it!
Shoot it!
Good defense. Ay, napagilan ka ha?
Oo, grabe, no?
That's what I saw.
Yan. Diretso na, anak! Diretso na! Uy! Sayang! Nak! What to do?
Nice pass.
Nice pass.
It's double movement. Make it.
Movement.
Yes! Miss that. Go, Joy!
Wow! Foul! Ang galing ni Joel.
Relax.
Sali ka na dyan.
Wala, ano pa yan? Mamaya pa. Kasali siya pa. Tapos na, yes! Nice one! Shoot eh.
Wala namang score yan eh.
Wala namang score.
Go Kuya Jikel!
Yan. Nice one, Rain! Oops, foul. Galing na rin.
Magaling di ba yan?
Oo, si Rain. Sa coach A yan. Ngayon sa Rain.
Kunwari lang siya.
Kunyari lang. Mga nagkukunyari. Mga nagkukunyari yan sis.
Go.
Sino ba ang kalaban at kakampi dyan?
Kasi ano. Go.
Balik ka rito!
Oy! Foul.
Bakit PE siya?
Hindi kasi ano, yung uniform. Yung uniform.
Bihisan mo kami, bihisan mo!
Yung uniform. Nalilito eh. Yan.
Uy, binabantayan ka talaga oh!
Go Abdul! Go Abdul! La! Go Abdul! Ay! Sayang. Dalawa eh. Nahahati. Takbo! Yan. Nice one naman. Sayang. Go. Wow! Dali.
Pwede ba double team? Yan naman, yan naman. Siyempre. Mamaya pa yan sila eh. Under, ano sila, 12. Go, Eman!
Kuya, kuha ka ng bola.
Wow, yan na. Yan na. Good! Ay, sayang na. Sayang.
Malalated talaga ng Eros eh. Eros! Shoot mo yan.
Eros!
Isa lang nga.
Wow!
Phoenix, matagal din coach ito, di ba?
Oy, galing. Ay, sayang.
Ano ba yung klaseng ano yun?
Go, 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 go.
Easy ka lang. Kaya, madi-disqualified sa batang.
Nice one! Ay, wala pala. At least foul. Sabi ng larong pogi lang eh. Ginagalingan nyo eh.
Good, good, good.
Galing ng layup.
Galing ng layup ah.
Galing ng layup.
Careful sa ako.
Oo.
Slow down na. Nice pass! Nice pass!
Oh! Tilapon siya. Kailangan dito. Malakas ang katawan, no?
Ganda na Eros!
Gabon! Gabon!
Blue ball.
Blue ball.
Ilay, get the ball.
Wow, ang galing ni Abdullah. Nice one, Abdul! Ay, sayang. Dali, go, 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 go. Shoot, shoot! Ay, sayang. Oops! Jump ball.
Ano sila?
Natumba sila parehas.
Parehas.
Nice one, Joel! Go, Rain! Delikado talaga, solid.
Talaga bang galing muna siya? Oh, yan.
Ref.
Technical. Technical yan, technical. One more.
Hindi naman yung sinasadya pero ganun talaga yung laro niya. Wow! Nice one, Eli! Wow! Galing ah.
Very good, Eli!
Oh! Huwag yung galing yan sabi eh.
Parang pinag-iinitan nila. kuya! Shoot, kuya!
Grab doon! Nice one!
Ay, sayang naman na.
Go, big boy! Go, big boy! Oh, galit na yan. Sandali.
One roar, Eli.
Go doon! Go doon! Oh, pass it to ano, big boy.
Isa, pass it. Naku.
Yan.
Yan, yan.
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 Hi, Dion. Nice game. Hello. Parang kambal. Nice! Sayang. Kuha, kuha, kuha! Hindi na nakita yung light.
Advance ang mag-isip. Advance ang mag-isip eh.
Sa kabila ata mo na sila. Oo, ingat ka dyan kay ano.
Hindi na kang bata ka.
Go, go, Eli!
Naabaw.
Go, Eli! Up! Blue ball. Or else you'll be lighting flat. Pass it to, ano?
Pass it to big boy. Anak putik na yan.
Talaga naman. Yan! Go!
Kuha.
Yan. Rated naman. Ah, 15. 15 lang na. Saan ka pupunta? Saan ka? Na siya. Uwi na siya. Uy, magpakulat na ulit. Nag-i-straight na. Uy! Talagang hindi siya nakakashoot. Lagi pang dumadaib. Sis, bubog na sa Andre. Ano mo? Ano babang ka? First time pa lang nakalaro sa Japan.
Bago si Erwin na lang.
Ah.
Kaya sabi ko sa mga vlog niya. Pero ano
Bakit natatanggal ang mga syntax ng Ali Brothers? Nice one, Pakat. Oops! Larong pogi lang yan eh.
Nice one, nice one.
Nice one.
Bakit sila Jaden at ano, hindi pa ilalaro?
Baka kasi makitaan ng ano eh. Pang ano lang sila. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Ay, sayang. Oh, ang galing. Oh. Travel.
Coach Lee. Pelican. Gabi Lee. 3 seconds.
Yan. Oy. Jumbo.
Ako, pag hindi kayo makano dyan sa laro.
Go, 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 go. Ah, yan.
Galing ano?
Bibilis eh.
Developmental ba yan, sister?
Yun ang
Parang
sabi
ano yun eh, matandang lumiit.
Dali. Ay, sayang. Oh, dali. Go. Dali. Grabe.
Mamaya, may bigis eh. Yeah. Kami nang gawa na eh.
Sino?
Nice. Naku, pumasok na si Victor. Larong pogi. Travel.
Nice one, Nathan.
Larong pogi eh. Travel.
Si Ina.
Sila, yung BE.
Travel.
BE, travel.
Sa mo Victor, wag ka matino.
Oo, kaya nga sabi ko eh, oh, pinapasa niya lang.
Ganyan.
Jambol. Atin ang bola. One point. Travel ulit. Boy, galing! Boy! Boy! Nagkabanggaan pa yung magkakampi eh. Travel! Puro travel ah! Oh, dali! Kuha! Dali.
3 points.
Point. Oh, nice. Dali. Go. Go, dali. Go na, kuha. Pasa niya. Hey! Yan, dali. Good one. Yeah! Sayang.
3 points.
Yun. Ay, sayang. Yan. Go. Yan, dali. Nice one. Galing ng Victor. Foul. Diba?
Next 5.
Hindi yan yung totoo. Oh. Nice. Ay! Dali. Yes! 2 shots. natin. Nice pass! Wow! Mga ganun dapat! 4, 3, 2, 1. Hindi, kanina naglaro sila David eh. Yung 14. Yung 14 yun eh. Hindi ko alam. Dio. Yan, go, 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 go. Yan. Si Daniel. Si Ali, oh. Grabe formahan ni Ali, oh. Oh. Nice one, Daniel. Whoop! Seryoso. Layo naman ang dito. Oo, up, up, up.
Ali! Wala mo na!
Wala na naman tayo eh.
Na-miss ko yan ganyan eh.
Pasa! Pasa!
Go, 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 go. Libre, libre, libre. Yun lang. Yan, oh. Jump on.
Ayan, si Irving.
Oops. Go, Adi.
Ano ba yung mga player ni Coach Lee? Puro cellphone.
Parang nasa Madinat na lang mga infinite nyo. Ganda ng layout ko.
Nathan, wala si Nathan dyan, nakaupo.
Nahanap niya si Nathan. Victor. Stop. Help. Pasa. Yun. Oh!
Bibilis nila. Oh, overrated na mga yan. Parang 24.
Sorry. Dito puro reklamo. Go. Yeah! Oo, traveling na yan.
Yan.
Oh, lala! Oh, lala!
Yan.
Remember this,
Brothers!
Hi!
Jacob, get up.
Double dribble.
Uy, kuya, lumalabas na yung ano mo True colors mo
Huwag mo labasan yung
Colors of Venice
Ano naman.
Oh, hindi na mga ano niya, mga alaga niya. Oh, makita na naman niya.
Oh, naku. Oy, naku. Go.
Yan na naman, nakita na naman niya si
Nakita na naman niya.
Oh, pag-aano na naman yan.
Go, Ali! No! Yan. Sige. Go. Dali, go. Yan! Isa pa.
Tinuturo na naman niya si Milton, sis. Sabihin, ay, ano na. Wow!
3 points yun. Yan. Nice, Ali. Go.
Nathan. Uy!
Wow! What a fake! Ah! Wow, what a fake!
Kuya, Nina!
Double dribble.
Sino mga kasama dyan niya sa Saudi? Siyang gaganyan guys.
Oy, ay. Ups. Kuha. Boom! Sayang yun. Oo. Tama yun. Para hindi tayo ma-problem. See? Magagaling. O yan na. Kinausap mo. Wow. Litan kasi, pinakitaan. Shoot, Eric! Oh, sayang.
Ali!
Yung tata. Napayo kong gano'n.
Gusto ko makashoot siya.
Yung tatay, napayo kong gano'n.
Sino?
Tatay ni Hadi. Ay, nangyayabang po sa mga player, ano.
Travel. Ang nipis ng tawag mo.
Oo.
Ano yun? Gagaling niya ano dito eh.
Dali! Yan. Ay, sayang. Oo.
Ali! Ali!
Ha?
Sino mo sabi niya? Sabi niya, ang ulo sa akin.
Ay, oo, natulog.
Sa mga player natin, nasa dulo.